welcome or welcome back to my channel. My microphone's in the way. Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Chantel, but you can call me Chanty. And today I'm doing another fall look. So I've already put on contour, concealer, foundation, and I've done my eyebrows. I also already put on my eye primer. I used the Elizabeth Mott Thank Me Later eyeshadow primer. Absolutely love this primer. So we can get right into the look today. And for that, I'm going to be using the Ace Beaute Vintage Dawn palette. I was feeling these top two rows here. So I'm going to start off with Horizon, which is this lighter brown here. And I'm going to start that up just above my crease because I'm going to do a cut crease for this look. And I want this color to stand a bit higher. So I just patted that color into my skin and now I'm blending it out. So I have to apologize, that first brown I used is actually called Pyramid. The orange above it is called Horizon. So now I'm gonna move on to this dark brown here, which is called Fade, can confirm. And I'm actually going to put that in my crease and then blend it up into Pyramid. I'm also going to take Fade just in the outer corner of my eye as well, because I think I want to do a half cut crease for this. Now, using my Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer, I'm going to cut my crease. Now, after I cut my crease, since I use makeup remover to do it, I always like to go back over with primer. I used to just use concealer over my whole eye, but lately, I don't know, I find it just creates a bit of a too thick of a texture, which doesn't show up much on camera, but in person, like, the eyelid looks papery and it looks fake. You can tell there's a lot of product built up on there. So what I've been liking instead is after I remove the bits of makeup that I've had on there, I'll go back over the area that I've cut the crease with a primer. And then without picking up any extra product, I'm going to use the brush that I was using to apply Fade. And then I'm just going to brush that onto the edges of the primer I just applied. So then we'll have a nice fade beginning. Hey, fade into fade. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to pick up the color Gleam. I'm going to try it with a brush first. Oh yeah, that's the ticket. So I'm just popping that beside Fade and I'm going to bring that to about the center of my eye. Now I'm going to pick up the color Golden Hour and I'm going to bring that through to just before the corner of my eye. And now I'm going to grab Serengeti right here, this gorgeous gold color. And I'm going to pop that on the remainder of the inner corner. But I'm not going to take it right into my inner corner. I have other plans for that. Now for my lower lash line, I'm going to start with the color Pyramid just on the outer third. Then for the remainder of the lash line, I'm going to take Grand Canyon and I'm going to bring it right up into that corner, but again, I'm just going to leave a little bit of space there. Just make sure to blend Grand Canyon into Pyramid. Last but not least, I'm going to pick up Daybreak and pop that on the inner corner of my eye. Now I'm just going to quickly hop off camera, apply lashes, blush, bronzer, highlight, and lipstick, and then I will come back to show you the finished look. Et voila! This is the final look of my fall leaves inspired eyeshadow tutorial. I hope you guys liked this look. You know, I really do love my bright and summery eyeshadow tutorials, but as we're moving into fall, I actually find I'm enjoying moving back into those deeper toned colors and those darker kind of vampy looks. If you like this look, if you like my vibe, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take it easy. Take two. So we can get right into the look today, and for that, probably these 6, to be honest. Might go into Daybreak too. We'll see. Gotta save up my pesos. Love it. Love it.